Okay guys, we're gonna do a room tour here at Rio Palace, Punta Cana. So we're staying at room 114, and in each hallway they have like two rooms. So this is 115 and we're here at 114. So here we go. Alright. So welcome to our home for the next 5 days. Alright, so as you step in, we have the closet here. So basically, it's just regular size closet. Another closet here, and on this side, we have the safe, which we never use the safe. We never use the safe in the hotels because they have a code. If you forget your code, they know how to unlock it. So the safe ain't safe. And we have the bathroom here. So you have a nice stand-up shower here. Then you have the double sink vanity. And we have our toilet right here. And then off from the bathroom, you have your little walkway right here. And then we have our mini bar. It's just that we have refillables liquor here. So all liquor is free as we are staying in an all-inclusive resort. So it's not like one of those Vegas resort where you have to worry if you open something they're gonna charge you for it. It's not here. Everything that's in the refrigerator is basically yours. All the liquor here is basically yours. You can drink as much as you want and as much as you can tolerate. All right, so that's something there. And then we have our room here. So this is a junior suite. So it's just standard room. You have the king size bed, and then they have the separate here for a living room over there. Right here by the bed you have a TV, and then we have to go down these steps. So we have to remember so we don't get up in the middle of the night, step in, misstep in, hurting ourselves. And then you have your little living area right here. My husband over here chilling, and then this is the view from the couch. And from the room, we have the balcony. So I'll go there and show you guys how it is. Try to open this here. Okay. So this is the balcony, and this is our view from the balcony. I'll say we have really nice view. As you can see, there are a lot of palm trees. So the higher you are, the more likely you don't have a view from your balcony because the trees are blocking your view. And the same goes for like ocean front or ocean view. Like you don't really see the ocean from that side as well because the palm trees are so long. So I'll say if you're booking a room here at Rio Palace Punta Cana, because they have several Rio here. You just want to get a room with this is called pool view. The pool view is better than the ocean view or the ocean front because, as I say, you're not having any view because of all these palm trees blocking your view. So these are actually the best views from what we're seeing so far. And we'll give you guys a full tour of the resort, give you a tour of the food, the entertainment, and so forth. So yeah, that concludes our room tour here. And we will see you guys in another video, or catch up with you guys soon. Bye. Yeah, I'm doing videos today. I'll be back.
Okay.
So we have a lot of options here for breakfast. They have the omelets. Another egg station here. Hey, you get your omelets. So they have about 4 different omelet shifts during breakfast. This is another omelet station again. We have a cereal bar. And fruits. All the juices. Hey. Love. Alright. And then we have another chef over here that's making like the pancakes. Yeah. What you say? Yeah. Mark and Cassie, we travel the world. When you see us, we going around, near and far and all around.
the club and dance.